Okay, family, this is what we're going to need for our sausage, pepper, and rice dish. We have 2 cups of rice. We have 2 packages of the kielbasa ring sausages, tomato, bell pepper, onion, and the tricolor bell pepper. We have the green bell pepper and the red and orange bell pepper. We have, this is that garlic and onion mix. I love that. And we have a tablespoon of regular garlic, parsley flakes, and we also have chicken bouillon. And I'm going to also use about a teaspoon of this Tony's Creole seasoning. Let's go ahead and take this to the stove. Okay, family, we added about a couple of tablespoons of grapeseed oil. So we're just gonna brown these up and then return them to the bowl, and we're gonna add our, turn them back and add our peppers and all that in there. Okay, family, we're gonna leave that little residue in there, and we're gonna put our peppers in, and that's just the residue from the sausage. And we're going to saute these just a little bit. Okay, y'all, what I wanted to do was get some of that oil out of there because those sausages made oil also. And now we're going to go ahead and add our sausages back in. Okay. We're going to add our can of tomatoes in. So we got 1 can of diced tomatoes. Okay, family, I forgot to put my chicken broth up there. You can use chicken or beef. Let's go ahead and we have a carton of chicken broth. So let's go ahead and add half of that in here. So let's go in with our seasonings, our garlic, our Tony's, and our garlic mix, granulated garlic. I love that. Here's our parsley. And we're going in with some chicken bouillon. Okay, let's get this stirred up. We're gonna let this cook for a minute. And with that garlic I put in there, it has pepper. So you can go ahead if you want to add you some peppers or whatever you want to add. You can go ahead and, black pepper. I'm sorry, black pepper. You can go ahead and add your black pepper. But this is all the seasoning that I am adding to this. And we're going to let this cook for a few minutes, and then we'll add our rice. Okay, family, our sausage and peppers are cooking. You can saute these, but I love them like this, y'all. And I'm going to put some rice. Now, you can let this cook down and pour this over your rice. But I'm going to add my rice. Hold on, sis. I'm going to add my rice in here. So we're going to do just about 3 cups of rice. And this rice is half cooked, or you can put your raw rice in here. Just let your raw rice cook up in here. But I went ahead and put my cooked rice in, and I kind of half cooked it. Whenever I'm doing stuff like this, I don't cook my rice or my noodles all the way. Okay, family, our rice and sausage is ready to go. Y'all, it smells so good in here. I really wish you could smell it. It smells delicious. And this is how I make my rice and sausage. Make a salad with this and you have a full meal.